Hi friends, how are you doing? Finally, I'm back here after a very long time. Actually, I was really occupied, okay, and I was like indulged in some other activities, but finally, I am back. And today, I have come up with something really special I have been waiting for, okay, that is this tablet. Today, I'm going to talk about this tablet, that why did I purchase it, okay, and what are the amazing features it has. So let's dive into our today's video. So this is a Samsung tablet. Let me show you. Let me find about tablet. Here you can see the about tablet. You can see the tablet name is Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus. Alright, I have written something I'm going to share with you today in this video. Like these are the something I want to share. So first start with the overview of the tablet and price. As I already have shown you that it is a Samsung tablet S9 FE Plus, and the price of this tablet is 27,000. If I include everything like guard, screen guard, okay, back cover, and a charger adapter, means I got the tablet in the box, but I have to purchase the adapter separately, so it will cost around somewhere 28,000. And I have purchased mainly for study, okay, study and youtube study and youtube. That's why I have purchased this one. And why I have chosen this one, let me show you. It has amazing features, okay, that will support, that will enhance your reading and writing skill. Here is the note application, okay, that's where I take notes and I do youtube works. Here you can see a note, okay. I mainly purchase this tablet for study purposes, okay. So here you can see this is the note, and I have also got this pen. This is a Samsung S Pen. It is called S Pen, and you can do everything. It is, it feels very real. When you hold it, you will find that since you are holding a real pen, okay, the pen we usually use to write on copy. Let me show you. Let me write something. Like if I write justice, look at this, how real it looks. Okay, let me use this here. Social justice, okay. So that's how I take my notes, but these notes are copied from somewhere else. And it has a lot of features. Let me show you. This is the one. Here you can choose different variety of pens, okay, like variety of pens here, okay. And there are pencil as well. And this is the one for highlight, like as I highlighted here, okay. So this is highlighter. If I choose a different color, it, it gives you a lot of color options. You can highlight, okay. Here is that. If I highlight, look at this, I can highlight it, right, I can highlight it. So these are the feature. And here is the eraser feature, erase. And it, this pen has a button on it. Push the button, okay, push and hold it, you can erase all these, right. And here is the selection option. You can select and move this thing from one place to another. And these are the color you want to choose, okay, for your writing. And here is the size. And there are a lot of features, I would say, okay. Here, you can change text, color and size and all. Look at this, right. And this is the feature. Here is that, like if you draw something, it will give a geometrical shape, right. If I draw a you know rectangular, it will convert into a proper rectangular. And here is the feature to lock it, okay. And now it has locked. You can't write it, or you can write it, sorry. Okay, but you can't move it. That's what it for, okay. So these are the some feature it has. And I use it to enhance my reading skill, to enhance my productivity, and all, okay. Now let's come to the next topic, that is multitasking. Yeah, let me show you multitasking. Now, like I have opened the note application. If I want to open something else, I can simply tap on it and hold it, and I will drag it here. Okay, now I can see anything. And I can also do one thing, let me show you. For example, I can drag the image from gallery to here. Look at this, okay. This is the book. And you can also do it from Google and from every search engines, right, even from ChatGPT as well. For example, I have this image here. I want to put it in my note somewhere, okay. It will help you in study if you are reading geography and some other like political things. Simply drag it and drop it here. So the image has right now image in my note, the image in my note, and I can also, you know, resize it, edit it, everything I can do. I can write on it. Let me show you how can I. Look at this. I can write on it. Okay, let me change the color. Yeah, here I can write and explain anything I want. And one of the best feature I have found in this tab is this one. This is called laser pointing. Okay, for example, let me delete it first. Delete. Okay, for example, if I am explaining this thing to you, then I need something to write temporarily, right? For example, here I select it, okay, and I select this color, red color, and for example I am explaining it. Look at this. It will stay for few seconds and it will disappear again, right? If I, so it is great. It is one of the best tool I have found to explain something, okay, while making video or to anybody, right? And multitasking, as I saw, here is the multitasking feature, and you can open more than 3 or 4 apps, I guess. Okay, look at this. So 1 2 3, and there is one more feature. You can open one more app in floating window, right? So here are total 4 apps. So that's how it works. And let me show you one more thing. I study, like I read books, so I have installed this application and I have books here, so I can also read it. For example, I can annotate this is a PDF, right? This is a PDF. I can annotate it. For example, I am reading this book. Wait a second. I am reading this book. It is a NCRT from class 8th, right? For example, I am reading this book, and I also wanna edit it. Means while wait a second. I am reading. I want to highlight. Okay. For example, in this chapter we are going to begin with. So I don't want I want to know the word of the meaning of begin. So I can highlight it. If I find something important here, I can highlight it. You can also change the color, opacity, and all everything. Okay. If I change the color, this color, right? So you can highlight it, right? So that's how it works. It is really, really amazing. I love it. Look at this. Let me choose a proper color. Yeah, this is the green color. Yeah. Oh, size. Look at this. That's how it works. And you can also save it. It doesn't mean if you highlight it will disappear once you stop using this app. It will save it in your Note application. Okay. And here is the second page. If I am reading here something about why does country need constitution, right? Why does country need constitution? I can also write on it. For example, if I find something important here, what is constitution means? Constitution means, okay, it is a set of rules, right, that helps to govern a country. So I can write, I can highlight, basically I can do everything. It gives you a lot of freedom, and you can also explain it. For example, if I have to explain it, today most country in the world, so I will use this laser point, right? Today most of country in the world have constitution, right? And as I, like, if I am reading this paragraph, so I can point it out, and just after 2 seconds this text will disappear. So it is a great tool. And what else? So let me go to the Note. If I miss something, I explained about like multitasking, sad and funny moment. Yeah, like actually there is a very personal story related to it. I wanted to purchase the tablet for last 2 months, okay, 2 or 3 months. I told my father. He said, okay, I will get you. I was really excited to get it, and day before yesterday in the evening I received an iPad, as I told you, 27k. And I was feeling really sad because it's huge amount of money for me, okay, not for my father's maybe, but for me. I was thinking, why I'm even purchasing it? It cost really a lot. Even do I need it? I asked so many questions to myself, okay. But somewhere, like, even, I was ready to return it, okay. I was ready to return it. Then before returning, I talked to my father that I'm feeling that way. I'm not feeling happy after purchasing it. Okay, usually I feel happy once I get something new, right? So my father said, no, if you need it, you have to take it. Then I accepted it. Okay, and the battery, my god, you won't even imagine how long does it last. Okay, it lasts more than a day, like, let me tell you, yesterday I charged this, okay, to 70%. I used at night and I have been using even today, and here it is 9 o'clock, right? And I have used around somewhere more than an hour, right? And the battery is still 68%. So means it is a monster. Okay, it is a monster, really. I love it. And one more thing, like, I didn't just purchase this tablet. Okay, really, I didn't just purchase this tablet. I purchased so many things. Like, I purchased responsibilities. Okay, responsibilities. And I also purchased some, not some, a lot of expectations to meet, right? So because my father got me this, it is his hard earned money, right? So I have to make the most of every feature, like everything from this tablet. So that's it for today. And if you want to know about if you want to know anything else about this tablet, let me know in the comment box. I will definitely reply. And if it is necessary, I will also make another video talking about or discussing this tablet, right? And from now onward, I will come up with so many new videos. Okay, till then, take care and bye bye.